Welcome to KERUI official store. Now let us take a look at this D1 door or window sensor. The model KERUI D1 is a standalone sensor alarm. It means that it can be arming directly once it was triggered. No need alarm system, you can stop the dangerous from the door or window. Okay, I start to demonstrate its performance. Somebody open door or window. The door sensor host and stripe is separated, and then it is alarming. Long press this button to change the alarm sound. Alarm sound up to 120 dB. It is simple and effective. Okay, thank you for watching.